Honorable Chairman, sir, reply to question number 112. A, sir. Sir, there are 9 sub-center being upgraded to PHC. B, sir, the process for upgradation of Maurong sub-center is underway.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, sir. I'm very happy to know that the process for upgradation of Maurong sub-center to PHC is underway. May I know from the Honorable Minister how long it will take for the inauguration and what is the timeline, Mr. Chairman, sir?
Honorable Chairman, sir. So, as I have replied in B, the process for upgradation is underway. So, for the time being, sir, we have to examine according to the guideline, according to IPHS norms. So definitely, sir, we'll check, and if everything is okay, then we'll try to speed up the matter as soon as possible.
Question hour is over, so now, before I take up the next item, I would like to make an announcement. I would like to inform the House that the Honourable Speaker called a meeting of the Business Advisory Committee on the 20th February 2026 to review